I am going through the next call for testing, which has to do with media. So here I'm going to add the cover block, and I will add a image to it. So for instance, image right here. I will do a wide or wide width, actually full width. And here I will then do a duotone filter. And I will play a little bit with the colors here. So if I, for instance, take the opacity here to almost nothing and change this to, for instance, kind of like a red here. I did this a little bit earlier and I just found it kind of colors really neat. So let's see, this is, if I take this to kind of all the way to white, and this to a little bit darker, for instance, like this. So that made this image totally different. Here, actually, it would be nice to be able to turn off the duotone on and off just to see before and after. So here I will then also add some text. I added the duotone filter, and so we have this done. As I mentioned, it would be nice to actually be able to, here we can clear out what about just turning it on and off, on off button here, so before and after, because you can see the image has totally changed from what I had here. I can move this around a little bit if I choose to do so. Okay, so next up I will just update this. I will go to, I'm using 5.9 and the 2022 theme. So here we are in the header area, as we see down here. So I imaged the background of the header. So let's see, how do I actually do that? I am not sure how I would add an image to the background here. Okay, so I have the group. I've selected the group. If I select the header, I'm not able to do much there. But so if I click inside, so I have the group, I can also open up the list view. So I have group selected. I can do, for instance, there's a color here, and let's see, border. I'm trying to figure out how to add an image to the header, because the header doesn't really have any options here. I don't see any how to add a header background image to the header. So right now I am exploring them. If I go into group again, I'm not able to add a background image to the group. I wasn't planning on becoming stuck this fast, of course. So I believe I have to go into the separate mode to edit the header like so. Actually, it would be better if I can just go into a header area over here, just like any other block that has different panels. Instead, I have to go over here, which is not really intuitive and not really consistent with other ways to modify blocks, because header is also a block area. So let's see, I have to edit the header. And here, I really don't know how to add the background. So I'm going to have to skip this for now then. And I will go back out of this and I'll go into, I'll just add a caption to image, make it really easy. But I'll go to product page. So this isn't our product page. I'm just kind of testing out some things. So let's just add an image here. And here I also look forward to not seeing imgur all the time when I add img. So be able to turn off different kind of embedded blocks that are not often used. I would just have by default the most regular embed blocks visible, and then needing to go into this, turn this on. I would just like to have image and not imgur all the time seen. So I'm going to try to make this video as short as I can. I'm working on it. So we have image, and here is a caption. Okay, so I would like to change actually this. I look forward to this being an inner block. So I select the caption here and having some area on the side here where I can modify the captions. For instance, typography, alignment would be nice to change. Here on my MacBook Pro, I can see this text is very small. So if I want to change the color, I have to do that inline. I can't do that over here. So let's see, a highlight, if I want to do that black, now I had a black, it was kind of like gray black before. So here's then the caption. Clicking enter automatically goes to the next, that's fine. So here we'll crop and rotate image and gallery block. Okay, I'm adding a gallery block. Okay, so let's just add some these images like so. Insert gallery, and here we then have the gallery block. I'm not sure if I have Gutenberg installed. I have to actually check that because I see this media area down here. Okay, let's see, this might be a little bit different. So we're going back into the page and then the gallery. I was on our product page. So okay, so we have then the caption area. So then this should default for the image block. So okay, we have the gallery. So that looks better without the thing on the bottom here. So here we are to crop or rotate the image in a gallery block. So let's do a crop. And I am not really sure actually how that works. Do I kind of go to edge and then do something? Or what do I do? Here we can turn that around. I'll just do a cancel. And cropping, how do I actually crop? Aspect ratio. Oh, so I can't, I have to go to aspect ratio. So let's do, let's see, I cropped it right here. Okay, so now I cropped it. So for me, I usually use two various photo programs. So I'll go to the edge and kind of pull in the grid. But even if there's a grid here, I'm not able to kind of affect the grid. I have to go in up here and select aspect ratio. Okay, so I've done something with this image. What if I just change my mind here? Can I just go back like this? Yes, it looks like I could. Okay, so here we are to add, I'll just do update. Doesn't really matter what it looks like in front end right here. I'm just testing the UI. So we're going to go to a post, and I will then, this is a new post. Okay, so we have an image there. I will add featured image. Here it would be nice to, there's a issue for it already, to be able to click that, have the first image added to a post automatically set as featured image. So okay, clicking featured image. Okay, I see I have two of these now. I'll do the gold sparkly image, and we have then the featured image. But here it says add external non-copyright photo to your featured image. So let's see here. I'll just go to my website here, and I will just take a random image from my tutorial here, which really need to be able to clean up. Copy. I need to that. How about I copy link address? So is this possible? So I had believed to just download this image. I will just go like that and just drag it in. Can I drag it and drop it in here? Yes. Oh, okay. So basically, the question is, where do I search for images? Stock Unlimited, maybe. I have an account there. So change the size of the featured image for your post by editing your post template. Whoa. Here's the default template. Oh, that's kind of tricky. I don't really know how to change the size of featured image. So let's say I edit this, and this is then I don't really know actually how to, because here I'm post featured image. So this is the post featured image. So I'm supposed to change the size here. I don't know. Oh, block, here it is. Okay, so let's do 300 by 200. Okay, it looks pretty bad, but that's fine. It's just a test. And here comes the dot again. I don't really like that dot thing. Update, single post. This is a new template. Okay. I'm testing it out. I'm going back. And let's see. Can I see a change here? I think so. It looks like it's been cut. Let's do a preview. Okay, so this I see that, and then it's been cut. Okay, so I'm able to change this. Oh, so the next point, I think I'll just stop it there, because the next are more discussions. I haven't really explored that much patterns. Openverse, I'm looking forward to having the media library basically improved here with various folders, filtering, where to look for images, and various etc. Okay, I'll stop it there.